Did you know that this tiny spice could be the key to unlocking a host of health benefits? But there's a catch. Many people are making a crucial mistake with cloves that could be hindering their health goals. Are you one of them? In this video, I'm going to reveal what that common mistake is and how you can avoid it. Plus, you'll discover the incredible benefits of cloves that most people have no idea about. From boosting your digestion to enhancing your immunity, cloves are a super spice you don't want to misuse. So, stick around to learn the right way to incorporate cloves into your diet and avoid the pitfalls that many fall into. Cloves are aromatic flower buds from the Syzygium aromaticum tree, native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia. They are commonly used as a spice in various cuisines and have been utilized in traditional medicine for centuries due to their potent medicinal properties. These small but mighty buds are packed with nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Before we delve into the benefits, let's take a quick look at what makes cloves so special from a nutritional standpoint. Cloves are a rich source of vitamins, particularly vitamin C and vitamin K, minerals, such as manganese, calcium, and magnesium. Antioxidants, including eugenol, which is the primary active compound in cloves. Health benefits of cloves. 1. Powerful antioxidant properties. Cloves are one of the richest sources of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and protect your cells from damage. The primary antioxidant in cloves, eugenol, has been shown to be more effective than vitamin E in fighting free radicals. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. The eugenol in cloves also has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is crucial in managing conditions like arthritis, sore throats, and other inflammatory ailments. 3. Pain relief. Cloves have been used traditionally to relieve pain. Eugenol can act as a natural painkiller, making cloves effective in treating toothaches, sore gums, and other types of pain. Applying clove oil or chewing on a clove can help alleviate dental pain quickly. 4. Digestive health. Cloves can aid in improving digestive health by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. They also help reduce gas, bloating, and nausea, making them a great remedy for digestive issues. 5. Antibacterial properties. Cloves have strong antibacterial properties. They can help kill harmful bacteria in the body, making them beneficial for maintaining oral health and preventing infections. 6. Improving liver health. The antioxidants in cloves are particularly beneficial for liver health. They help in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver, which can prevent liver diseases and improve overall liver function. 7. Boosting immune system. The compounds in cloves can enhance the immune system by increasing the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and illnesses. 8. Regulating blood sugar levels. Cloves can help in regulating blood sugar levels. They have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, making them beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 9. Bone health. Cloves contain compounds like manganese, which is vital for bone health. Regular consumption of cloves can help improve bone density and overall bone health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. The common mistake: overconsumption. Now that we've covered the myriad benefits of cloves, let's address the common mistake many people make: overconsumption. While cloves are incredibly beneficial, it's essential to use them in moderation. Why overconsumption is harmful. 1. Potential toxicity of eugenol. Eugenol, the primary active compound in cloves, is highly beneficial in small amounts. However, in large quantities, it can be toxic. Overconsumption of eugenol can lead to symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and even liver damage in severe cases. 2. Blood thinning effects. Cloves have natural blood thinning properties due to their eugenol content. Consuming too many cloves can increase the risk of bleeding, especially for individuals on blood thinning medications or those with bleeding disorders. 3. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to cloves. Overconsumption can increase the likelihood of allergic reactions, which may include skin rashes, itching, and in severe cases, difficulty breathing. 4. Gastrointestinal issues. While cloves are great for digestive health, consuming them in excess can cause gastrointestinal distress. This includes issues like diarrhea, stomach cramps, and gas. How to use cloves safely. To avoid these potential side effects, it's crucial to use cloves in moderation. Here are some safe ways to incorporate cloves into your diet and daily routine. 1. Cooking and baking. Use cloves as a spice in your cooking and baking. A pinch of ground cloves can add a warm, aromatic flavor to your dishes without the risk of overconsumption. 2. Clove tea. Brew a cup of clove tea by steeping a few whole cloves in hot water. This is a simple way to enjoy the benefits of cloves without consuming too much. 3. Clove oil. Use clove oil topically for pain relief or as an aromatic addition to your wellness routine. Remember to dilute it with a carrier oil to avoid skin irritation. 4. Supplements. If you prefer taking clove supplements, ensure you follow the recommended dosage on the packaging. Consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Bonus tips for using cloves. 1. Clove and honey mixture. For a soothing remedy, mix a pinch of ground cloves with honey. This can be taken to help soothe a sore throat or as a general health tonic. 2. Aromatherapy. Use clove essential oil in a diffuser to benefit from its aromatic properties. This can help improve mood, reduce stress, and provide some of the respiratory. Cloves are undoubtedly a powerhouse spice with numerous health benefits. From their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to their ability to aid in digestion and improve liver health, cloves can be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. However, it's crucial to avoid the common mistake of overconsumption. By using cloves in moderation and following the tips we've shared, you can safely enjoy all the benefits this incredible spice has to offer. So, the next time you reach for cloves, remember, a little goes a long way.